Hey guys, so we are here in New York in the hunt of a new shell. We heard from someone else that Saul Racing has a part out EK shell and already has a cage on it, so it's gonna save us a lot of money and a lot of time. So we came all the way to New York. It's Saturday. We got up at 2 o'clock in the morning to come check it out. They actually open at 10 o'clock in the morning. It's currently like 9:30. So we're waiting for them to open up so we can check it out and possibly take it home. So let's see. We're here. All right, let's wait for them and check out the car. Yep, there it is. We did it. Got the shell from Saul Racing. Look at the cage. That's the only reason we came all the way over here for that EK.
Loose, right?
Yep.
That's your coffee.
So we got this shell. We're here at the rest stop. Little break. Use the bathroom. Get some drinks. Monster or something. Walk the dog. There she is. She's taking a dump. But yeah.